Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So my name is Driqra and today I am making a video on the physics tricks. It will help you a lot in the numericals. When you are solving the numericals, you have some tricks and tricks which you have to solve the numericals in a very easy and quiet way. So let's start the video without wasting any single time. I will start my video by the multiplication, that how can we multiply the numbers in a very easy way. Like we have a digit 0.69 multiplied by 2. So how we can easily multiply this number? Like you can write this number in this way 2. Okay, how this is a decimal point, you can place from one digit to two digit. So this is, will become minus 2, and you have to multiply 2 by 69. It 2 9s 18, 2 it's 1 carry, and 2 6 12 it's 30. Okay, exponent minus 2. We will also write this decimal as this, so it will become our answer. Okay, this one is a trick one is for the multiplication. Now number 2 trick is for the division. If we take a question is 4.29 is divided by 0.3, then how we can solve this type of things and numbers like this? We have to write 4 to 9. This point will become minus 2. As I told you earlier, that this point we have two digits. Okay, guys. So this point will be replaced 1, 2. So it will become minus 2. Tens for minus 2. And we should write over here like 3 exponent minus 1. Because we have after the decimal point we have only the one digit which is 3. So we should have to write over here minus 1. Okay. So it will become, after the division, it will become 143. Okay, guys. This is minus 2. And over here is minus 1. How can we solve? How it will become 143 tends to power minus 2. The minus 1, whenever it will come upward, it becomes the plus 1 from nominator to denominator. Okay, guys. So it will become 143 tends to power minus 1. Number 3 trick is lambda, which is also known as the wavelength. The value of the wavelength, as you know very well, is 22 by 7. Okay, which is also 3.14. Which is approx to 3. 22 by 7 is approximately 3.14, which is approx to 3. Okay, guys. Now we have to calculate the area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square, which is called the area of circle. It's a pi r square is equal to 4 by 3 under root square 3. Now we have to calculate the square. We can make 4 by 4 and 3 by 3. 4 by 4 is equal to 16 and 3. 1 3 is cut from here. Now the remaining 3 will be right over here. The answer will become 5.3. If examiner is giving a semicircle, semicircle, what is mean by a semicircle? Basically, the semicircle is half. So we have to calculate the semicircle by this formula, pi r square. But we have now this time we have to divide by 2 because we have this semicircle. Okay, guys, got it? If I will give you a question that if r value, then the radius of circle is r is equal to 7 or 8 or 9, you can calculate this in a simple and very easy way. Pi. Now you can put this r value in r square, and simply you can square this value and divide it by 2. Now you get the answer of the semicircle. Okay, guys, getting my point? Now these are some basic tricks. In physics you have to memorize the coefficient values. Just I help you in the coefficient values. I memorize some values which I told you. You have to memorize these values. Coefficient values are very, very important. You have to memorize it. These will help you in your solving the numericals, like center of gravity, like G is equal to 6.673, exponent 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. You have to memorize it. There is no trick, no shortcuts for memorizing these values. You have to memorize it. RH is Rydberg constant, is 1.09, exponent 10 to the power 7 is a meter inverse. C is speed of light. The speed of light is 3 exponent 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. Okay, QE is the charge of electron. Basically, the charge of electron is 1.6 exponent 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, we can see the charge of proton is 1.6 exponent minus 19 coulomb. Now we have to see the mass of electron. Mass of electron is equal to 9.11 exponent 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So these are the basic difference. Now I have to tell you some basic things like millimeter. What is a millimeter? Is basically 10 is to the power minus 3 meter. It's a value of millimeter. You have to memorize this value too. Okay. And the microsecond. What is a microsecond? Basically the micro is 10 to the power minus 6, and the nano. And nano is equal to 10 to the power minus 9. You can memorize these values too. If I have given you a question that Coulomb's law, it's a formula of Q is equal to CV. Then we have to calculate the. Now let's move on the forward. This is squaring. How we can square the numbers? It's a very easy trick. That if you find 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. You have to memorize these square values too, because it's very important in the numerical. Whenever we are solving the numericals, we have to memorize these values. Okay guys, so this is my video from my side. Hope to see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Okay, see you, bye, Allah Hafiz. If you have any query, any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond you whenever I read your messages. Thank you so much.